How to fix SIM not supported issue on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix SIM not supported issue on Android device. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. You have to check for network compatibility and make sure your phone is not locked to a different carrier. If it is, you may need to unlock it by contacting your carrier and ensure the SIM card is from a supported carrier for your device. So the second step that you need to follow if your issue did not resolve is enabling airplane mode. Simply swipe down from the top of your screen to open quick settings and simply tap on the airplane mode for a few seconds. Then after waiting for a few seconds, turn it off and then this refresh the network connection and may resolve the issue. The other step you need to follow is simply reset the network settings. For that, open settings on your Android phone. Tap search bar at top of the screen and type in reset. Wait until you get the option for reset network settings and tap on it. Now tap reset network settings at top and verify your identity entering your fingerprint. Tap reset network settings and you have to go through all the steps. If your issue has not resolved yet, you can try another SIM card. Test another SIM card from a different carrier to determine if the issue is with your SIM or device itself. If none of the steps work, contact your carrier to verify if there are any other network issues or if your SIM needs replacement. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.